actually one that had the opportunity to learn as I was working under a sushi chef. No matter how big of a batch I'm doing that day, if I'm cooking 6 quarts of rice or 8 quarts of rice, that we can always have it perfect as long as we do this finger test that he showed me, and I'm gonna show you it in a second. So we're gonna add a little bit of water here, just enough to cover. So I like to think of it, if you're thinking of ratios, it's like a 1-to-1 ratio to start, so that's just equal parts water and rice. In this case, we're doing half a cup of rice, and we're gonna go half a cup of water. And from there, I'm gonna add a little bit more just until it covers right back at my first knuckle, that first little indent, that crease that you have in your finger. We're just gonna make sure it reaches up to there. For this step, you really wanna make sure that you have the rice as flat as possible as well. You don't wanna have any lumps, because you're gonna have it uncooked, you're gonna have it cook uneven. So if it's nice and flat, stick your finger in there, that'll give you an accurate measurement. You just wanna have it kind of come up to that first knuckle. As you can see, we're still a little bit low on here. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more water. It's better to be under than over. You can always add a tablespoon more of water if you need it throughout the cooking process, and just allow it to steam for 5-10 more minutes just until you get to that perfect consistency. But just starting at that knuckle is a nice starting point.